sudah berhenti makan telur dan rica kan?
If you were not disfellowship when you are eating them,
Ketika saudara tidak dipecat karena makan itu,
and others have patience with you
dan yang lain-lain bersabar dengan saudara,
until you understood that it was your time to quit eating those things.
sampai saudara mengerti ada waktunya saudara untuk berhenti dari hal-hal
Now
itu,
you have to be patient with the others.
saudara juga harus bersabar dengan saudara-saudara yang lain.
You can share with them,
Saudara bisa berbagi dengan
but
mereka,
not as a principle of the church,
bukan sebagai prinsip gereja.
because it is not a principle of the church.
Karena itu bukan prinsip gereja.
It is an optional thing.
Itu pilihan.
Teach them as your experience,
Ajarkan mereka pengalaman saudara.
and show them that you are happy with the decision you made.
Dan tunjukkan bahwa saudara bahagia dengan
Let
keputusan
me tell
saudara.
you my story.
Cerita saya cerita.
Before I got married, I became vegan.
Sebelum saya kawin, saya sudah vegan.
No eggs, no cheese, which I love.
Ya, tidak makan telur, tidak minum susu.
But
Tapi,
while I was not eating eggs and cheese and milk,
sementara saya tidak makan telur, minum susu, makan keju,
I was eating people
saya makan-makan orang.
because I could not stand
Karena saya tidak bisa sabar.
seeing somebody eating cheese and milk by my side.
Saya tidak bisa sabar melihat saudara saya yang makan
If somebody ate
susu
some,
telur.
some animal products
Kalau
by my side,
kalau ada saudara di samping saya yang minum susu, makan telur,
he or she would have the most terrible time of their life.
akan dapat teguran yang paling kejam seumur hidup.
I was being irritated by the fact that they were eating in my face
Ya,
those things.
kata-kata saya akan bunuh-bunuh orang.
And I realized
Akhirnya saya menyadari,
that I became very intolerant to people.
saya menyadari saya menjadi tidak toleran pada
You know,
orang.
people who are gluten intolerant, milk intolerant,
Ada
lactose
yang-
intolerant, right?
Ada toleran susu, ada tidak toleran
I
gluten.
was people intolerant.
Saya tidak toleran pada orang-orang.
And I realized that I was
Saya menyadari saya
skinnier,
juga menjadi lebih kurus.
but I was miserable psychologically and
Yeah.
spiritually.
Saya juga pengaruh secara psikologis dan
And I was a Bible worker.
dan saya waktu itu guru Injil.
I realized
Saya
that
sadari bahwa
I couldn't stand the fact
saya tidak bisa tahan pada fakta.
that others could eat and I could not.
Ya, jadi saya seakan iri hati cemburu kok saudara-saudara saya bisa minum susu makan terus, saya nggak bisa.
This might be the problem of others.
Ini masalah orang lain atau masalah saya?
If what you do is a good thing,
Kalau yang saudara lakukan baik,
it will show on your face.
itu akan kelihatan di wajah saudara.
And your face,
Dan wajah
if you
saudara
are happy with something you did, with a good change in your life,
akan bahagia, akan kelihatan.
it's not going to be like this.
Saudara tidak akan seperti wajahnya ini menghakimi menyalahkan orang
And
lain.
you are not going to examine others to see who eats eggs and who doesn't.
Dan saudara tidak akan mau periksa-periksa orang lain siapa yang makan telur,
You are
siapa
going
yang
to
tidak.
have a happy face.
Wajah saudara akan
You
bahagia.
are going to treat people with respect.
Saudara akan menghormati orang lain.
You are not going to make an issue of contention out of it.
Saudara tidak akan bertengkar karena hal ini.
And when people see you,
Dan ketika orang-orang lihat saudara,
they say, I want to be like this person.
dia akan ingin seperti saudara jadi
I'm
vegan.
not going to eat eggs and chili anymore.
Dengan sendirinya dia akan tinggalkan itu makan rica, minum susu, makan telur.
Don't make of this a issue of contention.
Jangan bikin saudara jadi bertengkar karena hal ini.
It's not a principle of faith.
Ini bukan prinsip iman.
It's an option.
Ini pilihan.
And if you choose to live like this, good for you.
Dan kalau saudara jadi vegan, murni, bagus.
But be tolerant with others.
Tapi bertoleransilah pada
Because others were tolerant
saudara-saudara
with
yang
you.
lain. Karena saudara-saudara lain juga bertoleransi pada saudara.
Food is a reform movement.
Makanan dalam gerakan pembaruan.
has always brought problems.
Ya, selalu suka bikin masalah dan
And
pertengkaran
people cannot see each other.
sehingga tidak bisa bersatu
They cannot visit each other.
dan tidak bisa saling mengunjungi
They cannot eat together.
dan tidak bisa bikin tidak makan bersama,
They cannot fellowship together.
tidak bisa bersekutu bersama.
Because of this,
Karena ini
which is not even a principle.
yang bukan prinsip 10 hukum.
Like I said,
Seperti saya bilang tadi,
some people have this idea.
sebagian punya ide.
I'm not saying it's not a good idea,
Saya tidak bilang ini bukan ide bagus,
but maybe here in Indonesia,
tapi mungkin di Indonesia
a mission I visited you,
seorang penginjil kunjungi saudara
and he was not eating eggs and chili.
dan dia tidak makan telur dan rica.
And you probably understood that this is the position of the church.
Dan mungkin saudara mengerti ini posisi gereja.
This is why you write on the paper that we changed our position.
Ya, itulah sebabnya saudara tulis di kertas ini kan.
We didn't have this in our principles of faith in the beginning.
Ya, sejak awal tidak ada di prinsip-prinsip iman kita.
You learned this from somebody who had a personal opinion.
Ya, saudara pelajari ini dari seseorang yang ada pendapat
But
pribadinya.
you took it as a principle.
Tapi saudara ambil jadikan prinsip.
And you may go as far
Dan saudara bisa pergi sejauh.
as teaching people that this is the most important thing.
Dan saudara bisa ajarkan ini sebagai pelajaran nomor 1 saudara paling penting. Salah 10 hukum. Kasihkan.
When people ask us
Sehingga orang-orang bertanya pada saudara,
what they should do to be reformers,
apa yang kita harus lakukan jadi pembaharu?
this should not be on the list.
Ini jangan jadi pelajaran nomor 1.
Because this is not on the list of the worldwide reform.
Karena ini bukan pelajaran pembaruan seluruh dunia.
This is on my family list or on your family list.
Ya, ini ada di dalam daftar keluarga
So
saudara.
when people come to church,
Jika orang datang ke gereja,
they ask how they can become reformers.
bertanya bagaimana boleh jadi
They
pembaharu,
don't ask how they can become like you.
bukan bertanya bagaimana supaya mengikut saudara, jadi
So
saudara.
teach them the principles of faith.
Ajarkan prinsip-prinsip iman,
In the order we have them in the principles of faith.
ada aturan-aturan dalam prinsip iman.
What is the first point in our principles of faith?
Apa poin pertama di asas-asas kepercayaan?
What is it?
Ada yang tahu apa asas kepercayaan nomor 1? Bapa,
Jesus,
Yesus,
the Holy Spirit,
Roh Kudus,
and we go to the Bible, right?
Alkitab.
So we teach them the principles in this order.
Ajarkan tentang Bapa.
We don't start with the end
Jangan start dari pelajaran ke
and tell
belakang
them about the health reform.
dan bicarakan tentang tadi itu.
Especially the part that is our choice is not in the principles of faith.
Jangan apalagi pelajaran pilihan kita sendiri.
So please, brethren,
Tolong saudara-saudara,
make the difference between principle and option.
bedakan antara prinsip dan pilihan.
Read your principles of faith again.
Baca asas-asas kepercayaan.
You will find in the principles of faith marriage,
Ada tentang perkawinan,
but you will not find egg.
tapi tidak ada telur di situ.
It is health reform.
Yaitu reformasi pembaruan
It
kesehatan
is about vegetarianism.
tentang vegetarian.
But it's not about all these details,
Ya, tapi tidak serinci itu.
which I believe
Yang saya percaya
is the ideal.
idealnya begitu. Ya kan?
It's ideal if we can eat only fruits and veggies and nuts like
Yeah.
we eat them.
Idealnya kayak Taman Eden, saudara.
That's the ideal.
Idealnya kayak Taman Eden.
But to the ideal,
Tapi untuk jadi ideal kayak Taman
we
Eden,
don't reach as a group.
kita perlu menjangkau ke situ sebagai satu
We
grup.
reach one by one.
Satu persatu kita jangkau itu.
Okay?
Oke?
So sorry for making the sermon out of it.
Jadi mohon maaf, saya sudah berkhotbah tentang
But I
itu.
travel around the world
Saya keliling dunia.
and I notice that food is always an issue.
Saya perhatikan soal makanan ini selalu jadi isu.
It should not be.
Seharusnya
We
tidak.
should be united
Kita harus bersatu.
because the next question is about how we can unite Indonesia.
Karena pertanyaan selanjutnya, bagaimana Indonesia bisa
We
bersatu?
unite Indonesia when we stand for principle.
Kita satukan Indonesia kalau kita berdiri untuk prinsip.
And we are tolerant
Dan kita toleran
when there is no principle.
ketika tidak ada prinsip.
That's how we unite Indonesia.
Itulah kita satukan Indonesia.
We unite Indonesia when we all think the same in principle.
Kita satukan Indonesia kalau kita bersama dalam prinsip.
And stop criticizing one another when it's optional.
Dan stop mengkritik saudara lain kalau itu tentang pilihan.
Personally, and as a family,
Secara pribadi dan
we
secara keluarga,
teach that life is better if we can eat naturally. We teach.
kita ajarkan bahwa hidup lebih baik kalau kayak Taman Eden.
But we do not teach as principle what is not principle.
Tapi kita jangan ajarkan ini sebagai prinsip
People
yang
can
bukan
choose
prinsip.
personally how strict they can be.
Karena makanan itu kan pilihan pribadi.
And brethren, one more thing.
Satu lagi saudara,
Don't take it the wrong way.
jangan salah paham.
But some of the young people
Sebagian anak-anak muda
already have issues.
sudah ada soal ini,
They should not have to deal with this at this age.
ya dalam usia anak-anak muda begini, jangan,
It is them that I'm most concerned about.
itulah yang saya perhatikan.
They have other things to think about.
Ya banyak hal yang anak-anak muda perlu pikirkan.
They should not be concerned about why my father and the father of the other friend of mine cannot see eye to eye.
Ya, jangan sampai mereka melihat ada ketidakcocokan antara bapak ibu mereka dengan bapak ibu saudara yang lain.
The concern of the young people is not why our brethren are not united. That should not be their concern.
Ya bukan jadi perhatian mengapa belum bersatu.
Their concern should be,
Harusnya perhatian mereka
how can I improve my spiritual life?
bagaimana saya bisa
How can I
memperbaiki
come closer to God?
kehidupan rohani saya, bagaimana
How
saya
can I
dekat
be
dengan Tuhan.
useful?
Bagaimana saya bisa berguna,
How can I get ready for marriage?
bagaimana saya siap nikah.
That's what should be their concern.
Itu yang harus jadi perhatian anak-anak muda.
And to answer the second question, the other question,
Dan untuk menjawab pertanyaan selanjutnya,
the number for a union is 250.
ya jumlah Uni Indonesia
It's what
sudah,
to become a union.
sudah turun kan dari 150
You
ke
need to have
anggota.
several fields
Ya perlu ada
to
beberapa,
form a union.
perlu ada pertambahan.
But the word union
Kata Uni,
means unity.
kata Uni itu artinya persatuan.
So it's not about the numbers.
Jadi bukan jumlah
It's
anggota.
more about being united and loving one another.
Lebih daripada bersatu dan saling mengasihi.
That's what a union is.
Itu artinya dari
A
Uni.
union is
Uni itu
when you
artinya
can divide a big territory into small territories.
ada daerah besar dan daerah-daerah kecil.
Not when we separate brother from brother who live next door.
Bukan saudara-saudara tapi terpisah-pisah.
Okay?
Oke,
That's not union.
bukan Uni.
That's disunion.
Itu tidak bersatu.
And we don't have this type of organization in our church.
Nah, gereja kita perlu persatuan.
So work of being united
Apa yang akan bikin kita
on
bersatu?
principle
Dalam prinsip
and be tolerant when it comes to optional things, extra things.
dan bertoleransi memperbolehkan pada pilihan-pilihan yang
They
baik.
are good things, they are not bad.
Ya, karena itu pilihan-pilihan yang baik, bukan
But it
buruk.
is of personal choice.
Itu pilihan pribadi.
You should not even force your own family or children
Jangan paksa anak saudara
to what you personally believe.
untuk mengikuti keyakinan pribadi
Because you
saudara.
may know how to replace some things,
Jadi saudara bisa menggantikan itu.
but your children may not be able to.
Tapi anak saudara mungkin tidak bisa.
They go to school or they go to work
Mereka ke sekolah, ke kantor,
and they want to eat something,
kita ingin makan
but they
sesuatu.
keep asking, does this have eggs? Does this have cheese? Does this have this? You know?
Akhirnya jadi tanya-tanya. Ada susu di situ, ada telur di makanan itu.
They end up not eating
Akhirnya jadi tidak makan.
and they have not nutrients
Akhirnya kekurangan gizi
for their body,
untuk badan mereka.
but especially for their brain.
Akhirnya otak mereka kekurangan gizi.
And then they cannot sleep at night anymore.
Akhirnya malam susah tidur.
They cannot be coherent in their speech.
Tidak bisa bicara dengan baik.
They get confused.
Akhirnya